my name is Ashleigh. I'm from Sloan's Motorcycles and ATVs. This is my second time here at Proactive Training. Came 2 years ago to what was boot camp, and now I'm in the MasterClass. I've taken a lot away. We were doing a lot more with personal experiences with customers and disc assessments and learning how to actually interact with our customers now. It's way different than previous years. Before it was just a get them in attitude, and I loved that, and it was very high energy. But today's people are definitely different, and I love having the opportunity to learn how to interact with them better and take that back to my team and actually learn how to manage them and coach them in the ways that they need. Super exciting experience regardless, but it's definitely been different than previous years.